The Mifo O5 PLUS. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Mifo O5 PLUS. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user manual, 7 sizes of ear tips, and a micro USB cable for charging. The Mifo O5 PLUS features 6 to 7 hours of listening time, 100 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, has an ambient mode, micro USB for charging, and it's IP67 waterproof. The case is very nice and is aluminum. It has a 2600 mAh battery. You can see the chrome accenting in the middle, and on the top you have the branding. On the right side you have the micro USB charge port and the power LED. Opening the case, you'll find the charge status LED in the middle. The overall case feels solid and the lid opens and closes smoothly. You can see the hinge mechanism in the center. The earbuds are secured by magnets and are easy to remove from the case. And you have the left and right indicator etched in on the bottom. Here it is next to the Mifo O7 that I reviewed earlier. It's about 30% larger. The earbuds are fairly small in size and are very light. It has a rubber matte finish on the inside and a glossy finish on the outer face with the branding. It has 2 button controls on each. Each of the earbuds have an LED, button controls, microphone, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. Here they are side by side. The controls are straightforward, a few short or long presses to navigate. The case comes in at 3 inches by 1.7 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 106 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Picking up a lot of friends, fill up the car to live best because we wanna, yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine, we're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mifo O5 PLUS microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Mifo O5 PLUS. The earbuds were comfortable and easy to put on. It created a good seal and it felt secure. The button controls do add additional pressure into your ear canals when navigating. Build-in quality is excellent. I like the solid feel of the case and it has a sleek look. They feel very durable as well as the earbuds. I'm not a fan of the button controls. They're very tiny and it adds too much pressure for me when navigating. They are responsive, but it just requires a decent amount of pressure to activate. I like the overall form factor. It's slim and it doesn't protrude out. Battery life is superb, coming at 6 to 7 hours and 100 total with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging and a USB-C port. Now when it comes to sound, this definitely has some prominent bass. It's more airy compared to the O7s, not as tight and punchy, but definitely sounds more boosted. Mids and highs come in clear and loud, but at times can get drowned out by the bass. Definitely falls more on the warm sound signature. You get better separation on the O7s and it's much cleaner, but these still perform and packs a punch. And lastly, the ambient mode worked as expected and was able to pick up the surrounding noises loud and clear. Overall, I feel the O5 Plus are a good pair of earbuds and has a warm sound signature if that's what you are seeking. My only dislikes are the button controls and I feel they could have done better with the overall design on that. You do get a good IP rating and the battery life is excellent. So that is my review of the Mifo O5 Plus. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.